Violence erupts in Rajasthan's Tonk as bipoles witness a brutal clash as SDM beaten up vehicles burnt. Tension accelerated to the boiling point as violence erupted at Rajasthan's Tonk district during the bipoles held for the Devli Unira Assembly constituency. This violence erupted when the independent candidate Naresh Meena allegedly slapped a subdivision magistrate Amit Chaudhary at a polling station in Samarvata village. This led to even more chaos and violent clashes between supporters of Meena and the police. The scenario quickly ended up getting out of hand after the reported rape. The protesting crowd hurled stones and involved itself in the road erosion incidents along with having conflicts with the police. The aftermath included torched automobiles and damage outside a polling booth, which created panic in voters as well as election staff. Police action. In the immediate response, Rajasthan police arrested 60 men to keep the scenario under control. Law enforcing authorities said that situation called for a major deployment of security forces to deal with the situation and ensure the polling station were completely safe. Impact on the bipoles. The incidents had shed a shadow on the poll process and raised various issues over security and the constituency's free and fair election. The authorities are looking into the reasons behind the clashes and assessing way to stop such situation from arising in any future elections. The underline the inflammable nature of political rivalry during any election in this region, and the authorities are now challenged on counts about preserving peace and maintaining the faith of the electorate in this democratic process.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.